Archie and I took the camper van over Belfast to Liverpool ferry and we went to the deVOL kitchens. Oh, wow. Well, we went for inspiration for the kitchen because as soon as we get the plaster on the wall here and the floors in, I can get my kitchen measured. But I need to be really clear on what it is that I'm asking Eamon to do. So we've went off for some inspiration. The 6 things that I took away from the trip. First being the brass rods. They were everywhere. And they were in all the kitchens, but they were stunning. They had them under the shelves, they had them on walls, they had them on the ceiling. They had them on the side of furniture. And you can use those for your tea towels, your towels, they had lighting wrapped around one of them. They had a bird cage on one. They had plants, baskets. I just thought it really did something for the room. And the colour brass, they had a brass sink in one of the kitchens, the big brass taps, and they were lovely. So brass and brass rods are going in a Rock Cottage kitchen. I have a couple of vintage ones that were actually, they're not very big, but they were like handles. But they'll be perfect for like a little small slot. But I would like, I think, a longer one to put on the back of the beam. I don't know, I'll price it and see. Second takeaway was using vintage linen as curtains. So on one of their doors, they had a half glass door, and on the back, they had used a vintage linen tablecloth as the curtain, and it was gorgeous. And one of the kitchens in the little half curtains, like the little cafe curtains, it was vintage tea towels, and I have a penchant for vintage linen, so if I can get that in the kitchen, I will. So that was my second takeaway. Third takeaway was using vintage pieces with the patina, like not to strip down and repaint, but using vintage pieces with all the story still attached, mixed in with bespoke handmade pieces, and it was stunning. And you would think that that piece would have something detracted from it because of the newness of the handmade pieces, but it's not. It's really lovely. So we're definitely going to do that. Plate rack inside the cupboard. This sounds like such a nil point, but I had thought of putting a plate rack above the sink, but was worried about that because of the stone walls. It's hard to get a fix in, and the weight of the plates. I wasn't sure it was a good idea. If you have your plates in a drawer or in a cupboard and they're stacked, you're always in and out and get the, So a plate rack inside the cupboard, I just thought that was fab. Something about that just made sense to me. So that's definitely going in. The windowsills. They had one of the kitchens that had beautiful windowsills. One was terracotta tiles as the windowsill. One was a piece of slate and then a big chunky piece of wood at the front. And I love that idea. So we're definitely going to do that. I have a couple of samples I'm going to show you, and you can put in the comments then which one you think is perfect for the kitchen window. Because I was worried about the transfer of the moisture in the stone going to a wooden windowsill. So I think that's going to be such a win for us. And then number 6, and this is actually something that is going to run through the whole house. No spotlights, no ceiling spotlights. I can't do it in the kitchen anyway because I don't have that type of ceiling. But the variety of lights, corded lights that you can have, your ceiling rose here, but the lights like swagged and swished up over here. Wall lights, lamps that can hang or swag, and then you plug them in. Oh, and it was beautiful, and it was so interesting, and each of them different, so they didn't all match. So you'd maybe have one pendant light that had this coloured glass with not a scalloped edge, like a frill edge. You'll see it in the video. I thought it was fab, and the ceramic lampshades like that I thought were gorgeous. So we're definitely doing that. definitely doing that in the kitchen. So that was our top 6 takeaways from visiting deVOL. It was stunning, absolutely stunning. 10 out of 10 recommend. Now, I will put links to those things that I really loved that deVOL sell, but I'll also try and find some links for more budget items, because I definitely have to mix and match with that. I can't put all high-end pieces in there. Now, those vintage pieces that you'll see in the video, they are actually for sale. So that beautiful bench that was in one of the videos with the Swiss painting on it, I think that was 850. So yeah, there's lots of those pieces of, and you'll see them on deVOL's site, just because anybody was absolutely besotted with something that they saw.